Hi everyone, welcome to Math Finds. Our learning target for this video is I can find the x and y intercepts of rational functions. Now let's take a look at some vocabulary. X-intercepts, where the graph of the function crosses the x-axis. In other words, f of x equals 0. Y-intercepts, where the graph crosses the y-axis. In other words, x equals 0. Now let's move in to the problem of the day. Given the following function, solve for the x and y intercepts. Part A, f of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 4 over x squared plus 6x plus 9. We're going to start off by solving for the x-intercept. To do this, we need to factor our function. So we have f of x is equal to x minus 4 times x minus 1 in our numerator over x plus 3 times x plus 3. Now that we've factored, we can move into solving for our x-intercept, where we will set our numerator, x minus 4 times x minus 1 equal to 0. We're going to solve for both x's. X minus 4 equals 0. Using inverse operations, x is equal to 4. Now x minus 1 is equal to 0. Using inverse operations, x is equal to 1. So our x-intercepts are going to be 4, 0, as well as 1, 0. Now we are going to solve for the y-intercept. Using our factored function, we are going to replace all of our x's with 0. So we now have 0 minus 4 times 0 minus 1 over 0 plus 3 times 0 plus 3. We're going to simplify and solve for f of 0, and this will be equal to 4 over 9. So our y-intercept is going to be at 0, 4 over 9. Let's take a look at our next function. F of x equals x squared minus 5x plus 4 over x squared plus 4x plus 4. We're going to start off by factoring this function. We have x minus 4 times x minus 1 in our numerator, all over x plus 2 times x plus 2 in our denominator. Now that we factored, we can begin to solve for our x-intercept. We are going to set our numerator equal to 0, so we have x minus 4 times x minus 1 equal to 0. We're going to solve for our x's, and we find that x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 1. So our x-intercept are going to be at 4, 0, as well as 1, 0. Now we can solve for our y-intercept, where we are going to replace all of our x's with 0. So we have 0 minus 4 times 0 minus 1 over 0 plus 2 times 0 plus 2. And we find out that f of 0 is equal to 4 over 4, which is equal to 1. So our y-intercept is at 0, 1. And that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.